for?
These you can fit every
What are we getting these for?
What?
These blankets.
What do you mean? Oh, this blanket, what is it for, kid? We don't want to scratch the EG.
Yeah, we don't want to scratch the car, so we're getting these blankets so we could cover it up. Yeah, we got to get the straps around the doors. Just strap it around the cart that we made, so we can pull, so we can winch it up on there. We're gonna wrap this whole front end in plastic. That way it doesn't get damaged on the way home. Yep, we're gonna wrap it with that stuff right there.
Fix it, not get scratched, right?
Just so it doesn't get scratched and doesn't get damaged on the way home. We're actually gonna load it backwards because it doesn't have a windshield in it right now. So we don't want to get, you know, all the air inside the car and act like a parachute. So. Just got the car back to the shop. It's looking killer. Pull the fenders off while we work on it so we don't scratch them up. Probably gonna pull the hood off too. It's like a mirror. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this subframe in it, get all the suspension stuff put on it, and get it on the ground. Day one back at the shop. We got the subframe all in with the power steering rack. We also got the Willwood brakes on there. The PCI upper control arms, all spherical. Function form type 2s, powder coated stuff as you saw before. Skunk 2 lower control arms, all spherical there too. There are no rubber bushings in this car. Everything is spherical. Right here on the back. And these are the PCI control arm bushings. They're called compliance bushings. Those are all spherical as well on both sides. Everything is all bolted up nicely. Didn't really tighten the bottom ball joints or anything. I'm gonna have to take that all back apart once I do the axles and stuff. But the car is looking awesome with this front brake setup. They're 11-inch rotors, 4-piston brakes, so they fit behind the 15-inch wheels. And everything is looking great. Both sides. We got all brand new hardware up here. This is a function form, adjustable, 32-way adjustable knob right here. We got beauty washers under the 8 upper control arm bolts here, and beauty washers under the shock bolts here, so whenever you tighten it, it doesn't mar up the paint. Got all that on both sides there. Next, we're going to be doing rear shocks and starting on the all-wheel drive modifications that we have to do to the lower subframe here. We have to kind of cut out a little bit of this center section right here to get the differential to fit up in there. And the plate goes right here on the back. We'll also be doing the lower control arms and the trailing arms as well. Another thing that we got done today was the PCI side skirts. They are 3-inch side skirts all the way to the front. They bolt on these 3 bolts here. 1, 2, 3. There's brackets that bolt to the car itself. I have the PCI logo here on the front. Kind of hard to see there. And it's got this little kickback here for the air to kind of be diverted away from the wheel there. They paint match the rear air diffuser to the car, so it kind of looks like it's part of the bumper, but it is separate and it's bolted on right there. You can see all the bolts. And here's the other side. The paint came out super nice. It's kind of hard to tell. It's yellowish green, but in the light you can see the color a lot better. So we don't know if we're gonna tint the windows just yet. I think clear looks pretty nice. Once we get the seats and stuff in there, it's gonna look cool. We still gotta do a roll cage and all that stuff. So yeah, that's the update I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you want to see more of this build, and we'll see you guys all next time. Peace.